Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We're doing Nigerian buns today. So this is things I'm using for the buns. This is the flour. I'm using 3 cups of this to do for the flour. This is butter. You can use margarine, anyone you have. This one is vanilla extract, and this one is baking powder. I think spoon of salt and the sugar I'm using, 1 egg, and then evaporated milk. This is what I will start from this place. The flour is already beef feeder. Some flour do not even really need a feeder. They already be good to go. So this is the baking powder added, the salt added, and the French vanilla. I will mix it together. Remember to wash your hand very clean before using it. You can also use spoon if you want to. Keep mixing. I can even do that's the milk. Uh-oh. Okay. You can use this one to turn. I don't have power to wash this thing. I will just rather use my hands. Use my hand and wash them before and after. I will still be needing a little bit water, or I can just continue using the milk. It might be too sweet if you use the whole cup of milk. Depends on you, how you want the taste. Like for me, I don't want it to be too sweet, so I will use that milk in something else. Maybe. Yeah, it's time to add sugar because all these things are mixed well now. We might just want to hold a little bit of it and check it later. Okay, it's time to add a water. That's water. The color is like that because it's the same bowl I use for the milk. That's why the color is like that. So you continue till they mix properly. As you add in the water, you keep mixing it together to see, you know, the texture you're looking for. For me, I need not too strong, not too light. It's better. It's almost there. I prefer to add a little water, mix it together, then see if that's what I need. Because if you add too much of water, you will need more flours, and like you restart everything. Yeah. You see, you still need a little bit water. Yeah, that one will just be good for it. Yeah, that's it. Exactly. Yeah. I will let it stay for its place. After that, I'll start the deep frying. If you are not very sure if your oil is hot before putting something inside, you can just use something like this to try it and see if it's hot or not. Remember, if it's too hot, it will start burning immediately. Okay. You can see the oil is not that too hot. I use this one to try it, and that little tiny one. See if it's too hot, it will get burned. They will done inside also. In progress. While growing up, I used to see my late sister. They have so recipes making buns and egg roll, and wow, they have so recipes. So this type is the one that I used to choose, the one that get broken inside the oil. Childhood was fun. Anyway, thank God for today. The people that make it fun, thank God for all of them. May the souls of my sister rest in peace. Amen. Yeah, almost done. Almost ready. Okay, at this point I will put it on low heat, maybe so it will be done slowly and go inside too, not just to brown in the body and then inside are not done. Be aware of that. Okay. Almost ready. I like it brown. I don't know some people may just like it the way they like it, but for me I like it brown. That's why I keep turning it to make sure every part of it are brown. In the next video I might just do the egg roll, but today we are eating nummilicious buns. Africa buns, not just Nigeria. A lot of African countries have it too, not just Nigeria. Yeah. Okay, this one is ready. Just I'll be taking them out now. That's much better and safer. I like it brown, and I ask around here for everyone that wants to eat, and they said they like it brown. So yeah, I am letting it brown, 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 brown. Oh. I'm making this one a little bit smaller than the one we did before. For some people that is turning their eyes, they don't like holding the big buns. They are rolling their eyes here. Okay, finish. So this will not be waste. See, they are turning by themselves. What I don't understand, why this part, why this part of it do not want to turn. Look at it. You turn it, and then okay, you turn around, and you come back. Anyway, so far this is the remaining one, and then some people are already enjoying their buns. They are enjoying it. Okay, almost ready. So just going to use 2 hands. Make sure I hold 2 people and let them go in. Yeah, use 2 to hold 2. Oh my god. Yay! Use 2 to hold 2. Yeah. Yes, of course. I catch you there. Man, I catch you there. See the wall. This should be a wall of buns back. And it's funny though. Anyway, you will still be done. Whether you colored there or not. Just that I need everywhere brown. Not ready. Okay. Thank you. Okay. That's the last one. For that 3 cups of flour, this is the amount of buns we got from it. Not a lot. Flour is powerful. Yeah, yay! We're done. Hey, we done. Hey, we done. Hey, stop off. Hello, Canadian people. How does the buns taste like?
It's crunchy and crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside.
What? So, will you want to taste more of it? That means it's good or what?
It's yellow. It tastes like shortbread.
Wow. See, I just look at it. Wow. That's just one. Can I borrow from so anyone want me to borrow from their own? Thank you, Baba.
You're welcome.
That's chilling. Wow. Guys, thank you for watching. This is the last part of it. Be expecting another one next week by God's grace. We really appreciate you guys because as you subscribe for us, you watch our video and share them. Have a blessed week. Stay tuned. Please share. Are you looking for the face that says share? Share. This is the face. Bye.